All right, guys, since we're talking about Thanksgiving snacks, I have another quick and easy idea for you. This is my pumpkin hummus. It's delicious and you're gonna love it. Super easy. This is all you have to do. I'm gonna take 1 can of chickpeas, drain them, and put them into a mini food chopper or processor. And then we're gonna add in a half a cup of pumpkin, some tahini paste, some spices. Just follow along with the recipe on this page. 3 tablespoons of olive oil that's combined with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 large clove of garlic or 2 small ones. And now I'm going to blend it all up. This goes great, guys, with pita chips you can make at home. So I just bought some pitas at the store. I bought these rectangular ones. You can also buy the circle ones. Just gonna cut it with a pizza cutter, separate the pieces. Gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Gonna put these on a baking sheet that's pre-coated with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. And then I'm gonna baste the other side with some canola oil and I'm gonna sprinkle it with my mixture of sea salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm gonna bake them for 7 minutes and that's it, they're done. Here you guys go. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving and try these quick and easy recipes. Stay tuned, we have more coming for you next month at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club.